Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tom Keene with Paul Sweeney and Bloomberg's Lisa Mateo.
All right, I want to start with Deere, ticker DE, you know, the maker of those iconic green-yellow tractors. All right, so their shares have been down as much as 6%. It was a miss. First profit outlook for the year ahead. A lot of uncertainty about the timing of recovery for the U.S. farm economy. Farmers, you know, they've been hit by low crop prices, President Trump's tariffs. I mean, there was a recent deal between the U.S. and China to boost these shipments of American crops to Asia, but there's still a lot of questions on whether the sales are going to be enough. There was a bright spot, though. The company reported increased fourth quarter sales due to higher shipments and prices, but operating profit decreased. So there goes that. And then
it was tangible.
Yeah,
I looked at it. It's like a real slowdown.
It is. And it's concerning because of how the farm economy has been taking such a hit.
And Paul, one of the surprises here is we haven't seen the president with the obligatory farm salvation. Tariffs?
No.
Happened.
And we had presumably some deals with China to buy our farm products, but we had that last administration and China didn't end up fulfilling it. So I'm not sure if we can hold them to the fire this time around. I don't know. That's tough for the U.S. farmers.
The Zamboni 100. I mean, you get your John Deere tractor and you pull your Zamboni 100. That's why Dad had an ice rink. Just so we could ride the John Deere Zamboni. Next.
I rode a regular Zamboni once. Did
you?
Yes, during the Devil's game.
Of course,
it was a good time.
Did you wear your seatbelt?
I did not.
Gotta wear your
Crazy.
seatbelt.
Oh, it was a good time. Urban Outfitters, URBN. That's the owner. Also, of course, their namesake, but also Anthropologie. Free People. Their shares have been up as much as 15%. Net sales for the third quarter beat estimates. The company said shoppers, they're waiting longer. They're kind of waiting out to get those holiday season deals. But customers are still snapping up plenty of the things at full price. So a lot of people paying full price for a lot of the products that are out there. They did have some small price increases at Anthropologie. Its CEO said, though, it was just small targeted prices because of tariffs, but people are still buying.
Okay, help me here. My email feed it's all Black Friday.
Yes.
It's been like
so
for 2
true.
weeks.
Yes. Yep. But I take the time to unsubscribe. Most people don't, but I do that.
I do it in bouts. I'll get angry.
And now, most people, it's now gotten easier to unsubscribe than it used
Google's
to.
been
It used to
very
be 3 or
good
4,
about this.
5 clicks. Now
Yes.
it's pretty much 1.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's the Black Friday, and it's also the receipt. Like yesterday,
Yes.
I got the receipt. Bing. Here's your receipt from Urban Outfitters. Thanks. Where did that come from? I'm telling
Gotta go
you.
track that down.
Petco. I had to pick this because I love the ticker WOOF. Okay, their shares though up 24%. So fourth quarter adjusted EBITDA guidance beat the average analyst estimates. There were a few quotes about this. Bloomberg Intelligence saying that their multi-year strategy focuses on profitable, sustainable growth. You had Morgan Stanley commenting, saying execution profitability gains are encouraging. They did point out negative comps remain a key overhang, but then RBC Capital Markets, the company said it's beginning to transition into this phase 3 because it's trying this turnaround plan, and they say that it's maybe starting to work. So their shares have been up as much as 24%. WOOF.
Woof.
832 million market cap. Why is my BI analyst following this? I don't know.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.